In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Printify step by step. This process is essential for those of you who want to streamline your payment operations on Printify using PayPal. Whether you're new to setting up these connections or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step with clarity and ensure you understand the entire process. Firstly, head to the Printify website and log into your account. This is your starting point. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to ensure a smooth login process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Printify dashboard where you can access multiple features related to your account and store management. Now, over to the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. Look for the Wallet tab in this menu and click on it. This will take you directly to the financial segment of your Printify account, where you can manage funds, see transaction histories, and of course link payment methods like PayPal. Next, on the same wallet screen, proceed by clicking on Payments. This is the section where you get to handle your payment preferences and methods. Here you can see any existing connections or set up new ones, such as linking your PayPal account, which is exactly what we're going to do. Continuing on, find and click on the Add button. It's time to specify how much money you'd like to manage within Printify. You'll be prompted with a field asking how much would you like to add, USD. This is where you input the desired amount you wish to work with through PayPal. Be sure to double check the amount you're entering to avoid any surprises later. Once you've set the amount, it's time to link your PayPal. Select PayPal from the available options. PayPal is a secure and convenient payment option, and setting it up will make future transactions much easier and hassle-free. After selecting PayPal, click on the PayPal button that appears. This will redirect you to PayPal's website. If you aren't already logged into PayPal, you'll need to enter your credentials here. Pay attention to ensure you're on the official PayPal site to maintain your security. Finally, set up your payment on PayPal's end. This involves confirming the payment and sometimes confirming the connection between your PayPal account and Printify. Follow any prompts PayPal provides. Once everything is complete, PayPal will notify you that the setup is successful. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected PayPal to your Printify account. This setup will not only simplify your transactions, but also provide added security and convenience. Don't forget to check in occasionally to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you have any issues or questions, both Printify and PayPal offer customer support to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.